No baking and cooking needed. This snack is so healthy, easy, and so good. If you are looking for a healthy, low-sugar, refreshing, and nutritious snack to make at home, especially during these summer days, then you definitely should not miss the frozen yogurt bars I will show you in today's video. Even more exciting, I will make 2 flavors, original and chocolate. I guarantee that once you try them, you will love them. I'm Tracy. Let's get started. To make this dish, I usually use Greek yogurt because it has a smooth, thick, creamy texture and a delicious flavor. I use 2 containers to make the 2 flavors I like. However, first you need to make a delicious base by adding 1 container of yogurt, about 300 grams, into a mixing bowl. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of honey to create a light sweetness. If you like, you can use maple syrup or agave syrup instead. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give the yogurt a warmer and sweeter aroma. Stir all the ingredients well until the mixture is smooth and even. This is the base for our yogurt bark. From this recipe, you can customize it by adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to create your favorite chocolate flavor. If you want the mixture to be rich and creamy, you can add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and stir well, and you will have the base for this dish right away. In addition, you can use fruit jam protein powder or any other ingredients you like to create a different base. Once you have this basic mixture, you can easily create many different flavors without too much effort. Now that you have 2 different bowls of yogurt base, place them in the refrigerator while you prepare some fresh, delicious berries to make this dish more special. To make it more appealing, I have prepared some fruit to go with it, such as bananas, strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, and peaches. These are fresh, delicious, and refreshing fruits that are very suitable for this dish. First, rinse the strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, and peaches under cool running water. Then let them drain very thoroughly, especially strawberries and blueberries, which can easily hold water. So they need to be completely dried with paper towels, because if there is still water left on them, they can easily create ice crystals on the surface of the yogurt when placed in the freezer. When everything has dried a little, cut some of the fruits into bite-sized pieces. First are the strawberries. Cut off the tops, then slice them into thin pieces so they are easy to spread evenly over the tray. Strawberries are low in calories and rich in vitamin C, fiber, and natural antioxidants. Thanks to that, strawberries not only have a fresh, sweet, and tart taste, but also help make this snack more nutritious and balanced. After cutting them, place them in one corner of the plate. Next, I use about 2 ripe bananas. Peel them and cut them into small rounds. Bananas are a source of natural carbohydrates, potassium, vitamin B6, and fiber, helping gently add energy to the body. When combined with yogurt, bananas also give the dish a natural sweetness, a soft aroma, and make it easier to eat. Now comes the kiwi. After peeling it, cut it into thin slices or small pieces. Kiwi gives the yogurt bars a fresh, sweet, and tart taste, beautiful color, and also adds vitamin C, fiber, and natural antioxidants to this snack. For the peaches, remove the pit, then cut them into bite-sized pieces. There is a simple way to cut them. Just cut 1 line lengthwise from the top to the bottom of the fruit, then cut another line next to it to create a bite-sized piece. Then use the edge of the knife to gently push both sides so the peach piece separates on its own. And just like that, the small peach pieces are cut evenly without wasting any of the fruit. Did you know this cutting method? Let me know in the comments. When the fruit has been neatly prepared and dried, arrange everything nicely on a plate. At this point, the whole plate is full of colorful fruit and looks very beautiful, fresh, and delicious. Now let's prepare the trays. I use 2 large baking sheets and line each tray with parchment paper. One tray will be used for the vanilla yogurt, and the other tray will be for the chocolate yogurt. If you are making a smaller amount, you can absolutely use smaller trays. But since I am making this for a large family, the large trays will be more convenient. Now take the yogurt mixture out of the refrigerator and spread each mixture evenly onto the prepared trays. Pour the yogurt mixture onto the first tray and use a spatula to spread it evenly into a thin layer. Try not to spread it thin because a layer that is too thin can freeze hard and become icy. A layer with a medium thickness will help the yogurt bars have a better texture. Then do the same with the chocolate yogurt mixture on the second tray. Spread it evenly from the center outward so the chocolate layer looks smoother. Now comes the most fun part, adding the fruit to the yogurt layer. Start by sprinkling blueberries over the surface. I like the flavor of blueberries with both flavors, so I will spread them evenly over both trays. Next, for the original yogurt tray, I will add a few strawberry slices around the tray. Each strawberry slice you place down will make your yogurt tray stand out so much more. Then arrange a few thin peach pieces on top. Peaches give this dish a lovely aroma and a more appealing crispness. Next comes the chocolate-flavored yogurt tray. Arrange the banana slices on top one by one. I absolutely love the combination of banana and chocolate. After that, add a few slices of golden kiwi on top, remembering to arrange them evenly so you can fully enjoy the kiwi flavor when eating. Finally, sprinkle a little chocolate chips over both trays to make the yogurt bark look even better. The small chocolate chips will add a light sweetness, a slight crunch, and make each piece of yogurt bark feel more delicious after freezing. Now place both trays in the freezer. Let them freeze for about 3 to 4 hours or longer if your yogurt layer is thick. During this time, the yogurt will gradually firm up, and the fruit and chocolate chips will stick firmly to the base. After about 3 hours, take the yogurt bark trays out of the freezer and try breaking or cutting them into small pieces. At this point, the finished result looks very beautiful, bright in color and appealing. But it may still be a little soft if it has not frozen completely. That is okay. You can still gently break a few pieces onto a plate to try first. This dish will still be very delicious, cool, lightly creamy, and full of fresh fruit flavor. This dish is best eaten cold, so after cutting it, only take out an amount that is enough to eat. Store the rest separately in containers and keep them in the freezer. This dish can stay delicious and fresh for 5 to 7 days. After freezing, the frozen bark is creamy, lightly tangy, and full of fresh fruit, and are very easy to eat. The smooth Greek yogurt layer has a gentle tang blending with the natural sweetness and refreshing flavor of the fresh fruit in every piece. When you bite into it, you will feel the slight crunch of the chocolate chips, the juicy fruit flavor, and the soft vanilla aroma, making it perfect to enjoy on summer days. Honestly, this is a dessert that is both delicious and beautiful, and I will definitely make it again. I hope today's tip helps you have one more new delicious treat to cool down on summer days. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, so I have more motivation to make many other helpful videos.